Good day, students. You're welcome to our class for this week. And the topic we're looking at is fish harvesting. Remember that in the last class, we discussed fishery as a topic, where we looked at the meaning of fishery. Also, we were able to look at the meaning of some common terms used in fish farming. And also we discussed the classification of fishes on the basis of their morphology as well as on the basis of their habitat. This week, we'll be looking at the methods of fish harvesting. We'll begin by looking at the objectives of the lesson. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the various fishing methods and equipment, and also you should be able to briefly describe the various methods of fish harvesting. Fish harvesting refers to various ways of catching fishes in different bodies of water. It is also called fish cropping. Fishing methods and equipment. Fishing methods vary from locality to locality. The choice of method and material used for fishing will depend on the body of water and the aquatic animal the fisherman intends to catch. Various methods are used in different fish habitats, including inland pond, streams and rivers, swamp, coastal lagoons, seas, and oceans. Fishing tools used by the farmers include nets, traps, baskets, gourds, hook, and lines, etc. Now let's look at fish harvesting using nets. Nets are materials made mostly from strong threads woven into different mesh sizes. Net fishing is the commonest method of fishing. The different types of fishing nets are a type of net known as the cast net. We have the seine net, we have the gill net, and we also have the scoop net. Traps. Fishermen use traps to catch fishes in the water. These traps are made of reeds or wire gauze. Bait is normally fixed at one end to lure fishes into the trap. A bait is a small animal like a worm or an insect that is fixed at one end of the trap to lure fishes into the trap. Traps can be made from bamboo trees, raffia materials, oil palms, and coconut fronds. Examples of traps are the funnel entrance traps and triggered traps. Baskets. Fishing basket is like the basket used in our homes. It is mostly used in streams and shallow water to catch fishes. The baskets are normally hidden close to weeds. When the water moves, the fishes move, and some will remain there and find it difficult to escape. So the farmer simply harvests those remaining in the basket. hook and line. This equipment is made of a long handle, which may be wood or metal, a line, which is made of a strong thread, a float, a sinker, and a hook to which bait is attached. The bait may be insect, earthworm, or shrimp. This attracts the fish which attempts to swallow the bait and gets hooked in the process. In an effort to free itself, the fish pulls down the float, which now gives the fisherman an indication that the fish has been caught. Gourds. Gourds are used for fishing in shallow waters. Fishing gourds are commonly used in fishing festivals like the Argungu Fishing Festival in Kebbi State, which is an international festival that serves as a huge tourist attraction for not only Kebbi State but Nigeria at large. The gourds are made from gourd plants by opening the gourd, and once fish enters into the gourd, it is entrapped. Trawler. The trawler is used on a large-scale commercial farming business. It consists of a large net attached to a fishing boat. The net is lowered into water and begins to enclose the fishes as the boat is moving. Trawler is used to harvest fishes in seas and oceans. Use of wounding gears, otherwise known as impaling. Wounding gears are equipment used for injuring big fish in water. Impaling involves the use of spears to attack and catch big fishes. When the fish is injured, it would no longer be able to run away or struggle to escape as they are being caught. Electrofishing. Electrofishing is the technique on and science of utilizing an electrical current to momentarily stun fish or force them to involuntarily swim towards an electrical field for collection. As we round up, I'd like us to look at the objective of the lesson one more time. We said that at the end of the lesson, you should be able to identify the various fishing methods and equipment. We've been able to identify the various fishing methods and equipment. We mentioned equipments like the nets. We also listed different types of fishing nets. We mentioned the trap, hook and line. Also mentioned basket, gourds, trawler, the use of wounding equipment or impaling, electrofishing, etc. It also looked at how the various methods can be used effectively for fish harvesting. In summary, it's very important for you to know that to remember that fishing methods vary from locality to locality. The choice of methods and material used for fishing will depend on the body of water and the aquatic animal the fisherman intends to catch. This note has been uploaded on the portal. If you have a question or two to ask, you could simply send me a message on the portal. Be rest assured that your questions will be promptly attended to. Thank you for your time. Remain safe and blessed. Bye. See you in the next class.